The ball is landing in the square, the clash of ash rings in the air, and bursting through with style and flair is Clare's fullback, Brian Lohan. He grasps the ball in firm hand, he's come on like a magic wand. In front of goal he's in command, Clare's great fullback, Brian Lohan. On the ground or in the air, he plays it manly, fast and fair. He is the toast of County Clare, that mighty man, Brian Lohan. Watch him coming through to Clare, come on the banner, hear them cheer. All Ireland hurler of the year, the pride of Clare, Brian Lohan. 6'1" in his bare feet, reflexes fast and skills complete. Around the square none can compete with Clare's fullback, Brian Lohan. Full forwards find it hard to score, his worth is proven o'er and o'er. Few better men have ever wore Clare's colours than Brian Lohan. On the ground or in the air, he plays it manly, fast and fair. He is the toast of County Clare, that mighty man, Brian Lohan. Watch him coming through to Clare, come on the banner, hear them cheer. All Ireland hurler of the year, the pride of Clare, Brian Lohan. When injury threatened to lay him low, and when we feared he'd have to go, he bravely stayed to face the foe, and how we cheered for Lohan. With brother Frank on his left hand, and the bridgeman Mick, a backline grand. And since we've reached the promised land, let's thank to Clare and Lohan. On the ground and in the air, he plays it manly, fast and fair. He is the toast of County Clare, that mighty man, Brian Lohan. Watch him coming through to Clare, come on the banner, hear them cheer. All Ireland hurler of the year, the pride of Clare, Brian Lohan.